Hi, friends. For our writing center today, we're going to do a Write the Room. Now, the title of this one is Write the Rhymes. I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, boys and girls, you should have cards that mom and dad or grandma and grandpa either printed out for you or wrote for you. You're going to find the picture that rhymes. Write the word of the rhyme next to its rhyming picture. Okay, so the first picture I see is a picture of a bug. Okay, friends, so bug. On my cards, I see a hug, the word hug. Bug, hug, that rhymes. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to do the rest. You're going to find a rhyme for chair, boat, ring, ball, fan, bed, sock. So again, you're going to use your cards and match it to the rhyme. Do your very, very best, and we'll see you for writing time.